Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you simple color sorting activities for toddlers and preschoolers. These simple at-home activities not only teach color recognition and sorting, but also improves categorization and visual scanning abilities. So let's get started. For this first activity, I took a muffin tin and put different colors of paper and a whole bunch of pom-poms. You can make use of any fine motor tools like tweezers or cloth pins. This is a very simple color sorting activity by putting pom-poms in the corresponding sections. If you want to make it a bit difficult, then make use of cloth pin. Cloth pin helps in the development of fine motor skills in toddlers. For this next activity, place different colors of construction paper. Here we are going to match colors of the Legos to the paper by putting them on the matching color. You can also look around the house to find different colorful objects to match each color. This is another fun and simple DIY color matching game for toddlers. This one is easy to make. All you need is clothespins and different colors.If felt sheet. Cut and paste different colors of construction paper on the cloth pins. The child has to match the color of the cloth pin to the color of felt sheet. It lets your preschoolers distinguish between different colors while working on their fine motor skills. This activity encourages visual discrimination by matching. This is a wonderful busy activity you can give to your child, and it keeps little ones busy. I hope you liked the activities. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.